Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp recipe in pineapple, as I call it, aguachile de piña. I know that you guys are going to love this amazing recipe, but first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this amazing pineapple shrimp aguachiles. These are the ingredients. I have onion, cilantro, cucumber, serrano chilies, salt, black pepper, garlic cloves, lemons, pineapple, and of course the star, the shrimp. This is everything we need to make this amazing dish. So let's get started. But first things first, I have my chiles serranos, my cilantro, cucumber, lemons, and we are going to put them through running water, rinse them really good to make this amazing and delicious recipe, perfect for this hot weather. Well, I have my lemons here. I'm going to start slicing them through the center. Look at this. These lemons are small, but they are so juicy. And now, of course, I'm going to use this to get all the amazing juice from the lemons. Look at this. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. I'm obtaining all the amazing lemon juice here. Look at this. With this little tool, you do not leave anything behind. And of course, you could find this tool in Walmart. And here I have all the lemon juice here. I'm going to put it aside. I have my shrimp here. It's been cleaned. It's been deveined. You could use it whole for this recipe, but I really like cutting it through the center just like this so that the lemon juice really cooks the shrimp very well and very fast. You could leave it whole like I said, but for here, for my family, I really love just cutting it through the middle, just like this. And I'm going to continue slicing all the shrimp. When you slice the shrimp like this, the lemon really penetrates and cooks the raw shrimp. And here I'm going to go ahead, place it in this big bowl. And now I am ready to start adding the juice of the lemon. I'm going to put it through a sifter just so that I make sure that no seeds or the pulp go into the shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and just cover the shrimp just like that. This is what you don't want. You don't want the pulp and you don't want the seeds to go into your shrimp. And now I'm just going to go ahead, put it aside, and I am ready to add the black pepper and the salt. I love adding it right now so they really penetrate and cooks the shrimp really good. And now I am ready to cover it with saran wrap. I'm going to cover it and let it rest for about 15 minutes while I continue getting ready the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I have the cucumber. I'm going to cut the edges. I'm going to cut a little bit of the skin, but I'm leaving a little bit of the skin on. And then I'm going to cube it in very small and tiny little pieces. I want to show you how I'm cutting it. Look at this. Just like that. Just cut it like this, and then I'm going to continue cutting the rest. I have the onion here. I'm only using half of the onion. I'm going to cut it through the middle, and then I'm going to slice it. I want to slice it very thin so that the onion really release all the amazing flavors into the rest of the ingredients. And then I'm just going to pull it apart, making sure that everything is nice and pulled. And I'm going to continue with my pineapple. I have pieces of pineapple here that I'm going to cube almost the same size of the cucumber. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long, but this refreshing and delicious dish comes out perfect every time. I have it here in the plate. I have the pineapple, onion, and cucumber. I'm going to put it aside, and now I'm ready to just mix all the shrimp one more time. I'm going to go ahead, just mix it around, making sure that everything is covered with the amazing lemon juice. Look at this. Once you really, I like doing this about 2 to 3 times, making sure that everything is getting nice and coated and it's cooking in the juice of the lemon. Well, here I'm going to cover it one more time, and I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to start working on my salsa. I have my blender here. To this, I am going to add the cilantro. I'm going to add the chiles serranos. If you don't want it spicy, just add 1 chile serrano or substitute with the jalapeno. But with 3 chiles serranos, it really doesn't come out too hot. It just has a little kick. And now to this, I'm going to add my 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to add the rest of the pineapple. And now I am ready to blend to make this amazing salsa. And it really doesn't take too long. And now I am ready to go ahead, mix it one more time, incorporate everything one more time. And as you could see, you could already see the shrimp cooking. It's already changing color. And that's exactly what you want. You want to make sure that your shrimp is already changing color. That's when you know that the shrimp has been cooked in the juice of the lemon. And now I am ready to add the rest of the ingredients. I have the onion, the cucumber, the pineapple, and I'm adding everything into this big bowl where I have all the amazing shrimp already cooked in the lemon juice. And now I'm ready to just incorporate it really good. Once everything is nice and incorporated, the onion and everything in here, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the salsa we made with the cilantro, serrano chilies, pineapple, and 2 garlic cloves. I'm ready to add the salsa. I'm going to add it and be turning around the plate so that everything is nice and covered. This aguachile comes out amazing. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to continue enjoying this amazing aguachile of pineapple. Well, here I just want to incorporate everything. I want to make sure that the shrimp is really soaking in all the delicious salsa. Once you add the salsa, cover it for about 20 minutes, and then it is ready to enjoy. I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add a little bit more salt. To my tasting is great. Cover it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look at this. This looks amazing. Look at all the shrimp, the cucumber, the onion is even nice and soft. The pineapple has really absorbed the delicious flavors of the green salsa. And I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to plate it here and add all those amazing flavors. Of course, you could enjoy this with tostada chips. You could enjoy it with crackers. You decide with what you want to enjoy this amazing aguachile shrimp with pineapple and this amazing sauce. I am ready for the presentation, but let me show you from close up how delicious and amazing this looks. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing shrimp in pineapple. You know something? Aguachile. It comes out perfect every time, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.